next program is a group song by Sanjeet, Vignesh and Javi. Let's welcome our singers onto dais with a big round of applause.
Mustafa, don't worry Mustafa, kalam nee nestam Mustafa. Day by day, kalam modilo day by day, payaninche shippe friendship. Mustafa, Mustafa, don't worry Mustafa, kalam nee nestam Mustafa. Day by day, kalam modilo day by day, payaninche shippe friendship రా. ఎడెడగడి చిట్టి గువలు, ఎడ నించో గోరు వంకలు, స్కూలేజీ క్యాంపస్ లో నాట్యం చేసేనే. కొంటి కళ్ళ కొంటి నవ్వులు, కుర్ర మనసున్న కౌగిలింతలు, స్కూలేజీ ప్రేమలంటే పండగేనులే. స్కూలు ముగిసే రోజు వరకు నిండా రోజు మాత్రం తుల్లిపడిన కుర్ర ఎదలో కన్నీరే ఉంటారంటే దేవుడే సాక్షి. స్నేహితుల్ని విడిపోయే రోజు మాత్రం కంటి నిండా కన్నీటి తోడేనంట ఫేర్వెల్ పార్టీ. పాదమెట్టుపోతున్నా పయనమెందాకైనా, అడుగు తడబడుతున్నా తోడురానా. చిన్ని ఎడబాటైనా కంట తడి పెడుతున్నా, గుండె ప్రతి లయలోనా నేను లేనా. ఒంటరైనా ఓటమైనా వెంట నడిచే నీడవేనా. ఓ మై ఫ్రెండ్, తడి కన్నులనే తుడిచిన నేస్తమా. ఓ మై ఫ్రెండ్, ఒడిదడుగులలో నిలిచిన స్నేహమా. నీ ప్రశ్నలు నీవే, ఎవరు బదులివ్వరుగా. నీ చిక్కులు నీవే, ఎవరు విడిపించరుగా. ఏ గాలో నిన్ను తరుముతుంటే అల్లరిగా, ఆగాలో లేదో తెలియదంటే చెల్లదుగా. 10 నెలలు తలలో నిన్ను మోసిన అమ్మైనా, అప్పుడో ఇప్పుడో కననే కనను అంటున్నా. ప్రతి కుసుమం తనదే వినదే విరిసే కొమ్మైనా, గుడికో జడకో సాగనంపక ఉంటుందా. బ్రతుకంటే బడి చదువా అనుకుంటే అతి సులువా. పొరబడినా పడినా జాలి పడదే కాలం మనలాగా. ఒక నిమిషం కూడా ఆగిపోదే నువ్వు వచ్చేదాకా. ఓ
How are you? Okay. We are here to conduct a small funny game. We request all the girls, 10th class girls, to support us. So we are going to take a chit from this. So whatever names are called out, please come first, children. The game name is Colorful Chilaka. So today we have so many chilakalu here. So we are going to see who are the colorful chilakals.
N. Neelima, Samina Firdaus, Samira Firdaus, Shreya, Bhavya, Venela, Deekshita, Srividya Deekshita, Yamini, Durga Bhavani, Rishita, Shaheen, భాను ఆర్ భాను శ్రీనిధి షేక్ కరిష్మా ఫహమిదా अफरीन कौसर एस करिश्मा बोथ करिश्मा लक्ष्मी दीपिका पी लक्ष्मी दीपिका सी एच प्रवलिका मीनाक्षी
Hello, first 10 members please come onto the dais. Fast, we don't have time much. Okay girls, please. Each bench, each table please stand 2 members. Two members please. Both of you go there. We need 2 more girls. Please come forward. Karishma, please get onto the desk. Banu, come. No? There. 2 rounds. Hello. Move fast. Teacher. You have to insert the thread throughout this hole of the needle. Bring it. You have to shoe the paper balls. So the game is shooing the paper balls. So color order we will tell you in the same order it should be. We will count there. You have to insert the thread throughout this hole of the needle. Bring it. You have to shoe the paper balls. So the game is shooing the paper balls. So color order we will tell you in the same order it should be. We will count. Just put it on the table. Very good, very nice. please come onto the dais. Fast, fast. Hello. Before, have you seen the game? What is the rule? You should not insert the thread in the needle now only. Remove it. Remove it. Everyone remove. Show me separately needle and thread. Show me separately. Shahin, remove that. Ha. Orange, yellow, green.
ప్రళయం ప్రళయం దుష్కృత వలయం ప్రబలం ప్రచలం దుర్దమనిలయం అసని పాత అజస్ర ప్రకరం తిమిరలోక సమవాకారం గర్జించే పర్జన్యం ఘోరాది ఘోర దౌర్జన్యం అనవతరం ఆతని వేగ ప్రమాదాలతో సయ్యాట బీభత్సం అతని ప్రతాపం గీతావహ సమర పతాకం ఆగ్నేయం ఆగ్రహనేత్రం అంగాంగం సంగరక్షేత్రం అసురం జలగీకరం సకల జగన్నాశకం సంక్షోభం
Stop it. Be with your needles like that. Okay. Here we got our winner, Lakshmi Deepika. She had kept 4 patterns. So she is the winner in this group. Please, children. Get back to your places, please. Thank you very much for your support. 9th class boy volunteers who are behind the boys, please come to take the tables from the So one small thing I will tell you. This year we have included one new innovation. One selfie gallery also we have put it here. So who are interested, not now enjoy the program. When you get a chance, when you want to have a break, please take the selfies and use that area.
Combination. Now I would like to call upon Aishwarya and Anjum group to perform a dance for remix songs. This song reflects hope, joy and togetherness.
Those who are standing at the entrance, please come and take your seats. Students, volunteers, please close the gate. And after the performance, we have to leave the stage.
Your friends, A warm wishes for 2025 to 26 academic year for everyone. I am Jahnavi. I started in this school when I was in 7th standard. My teachers were my great encouragement to all the aspects of my school life. I was not an extrovert at the beginning, but my teachers took out my negativity and made me positive. From the school, I participated in so many programs. For the first time, I am in the dais for giving a speech, but this is a goodbye speech. I think even after leaving my school, the pride of the school need to be taken by me. Throughout my life, we learn with the learned lessons in the school have evolved into a whole person which changed the direction of my life to live an ambassador of our school. The teachers who taught us they are very great and they are our second family. The teachers in school there are many memories to fighting with friends, talking with teachers and taking punishment from teachers and playing games with friends and cracking jokes with the teachers and friends. That make me a lot of enjoyment. Thank you so for giving these many memories to us in this school. One thing I want to say for juniors that people enjoy very well and study well. Make your teachers happy. Thank you. And all the best for your future exams. Thank you.
In short, I joined here in 8th class. With the strict conditions with best teachers who can understand our feelings and consider us as per our age. My friends, I can't say anything about them. We created lot of memories in this school. Thank you. This morning is same like my mind, with pleasant with a sign of dew drops, and a gracious morning to respected teachers and lovable management for the authors and the mentors present here on this auspicious day. The moment I thought about this day, my memories went back. A small girl with a two-side head cloth and a big bag on my shoulders, with all weird feelings in my mind, I started my journey here at class 4 and I spent here very beautiful days. The things I have done in my class and campus gives me the lots of mixed feelings of love, sorrow and love. And sleeping and talking in the classes, sharing snacks, sharing lunch box in the classes. And the next, I used to take chocolates from Subramaniam sir's table. I used to thank sir because he weighs my naughtiness and violence in the class. Sir, you are a patient-oriented man, sir. And the next, the beauty of our school memories, teacher. Teacher is very kind-hearted. I used to irritate teacher as much as possible, and I get scolding from her. Is very memorable to me. And the next, Ajit sir. Sir is very cool and chilled person. Sir always helps in my grammar part, and sir named me as Priyanka Chopra. Sir, thank you for that. And next, even Rambabu sir. He is very new to this school and he became effective and lovable towards us. And sir named me as Pandit. Sir is like an encyclopedia. He will clarify our doubts within fraction of seconds. And sir says his memorable things with us. And next, most unflappable man in our school is Venkat sir. Sir shares his moments with us. Sir always teaches the moral values of our life. Sir always teaches how the exams are important in our life, how we should be in our classes. And next, the roaring lion of this school is Mr. Nagarjuna sir. Sir is very dangerous when he is angry and no one dare to stand in front of him. But sir is very lovable and effective towards us. And the sir says the universal lie that he is the most innocent teacher. Sorry for this sir. And next, the king of chemistry was Masanwali sir. Sir always teaches the moral values of our life, how the time should be used to us, how we should save our time. And sir always says that time is packed up. And sir always says that if you close your eyes, the paper will complete. And next, the most coolest person in our school is Siju sir. Sir always treats us like his own daughters. Sir is very cheerful. Sir changes our mood very instantly. Within the fraction of seconds, he can change every student here. And sir feels very bad when he punishes us. There's very important things in our school life. Sir always supports us whatever we want. very limited. This is not a good vibe. And the life skills, friendship, education, and the skills I got here is everlasting. And I am very proudful to be as a Saint Josephian. And I advise to our juniors to make proud yourself as you are a Saint Josephian. This is not a good vibe, but I am living the dice. Thank you.
Honorable Director Sir, Principal Sir, loving teachers, and my dear friends, a gracious morning to one and all. Actually, this is an exciting moment in love and sorrow. Long 13 years of my journey is gone and in futures. The changes happened to me, I can understand. This school is my second home. Teachers are like my parents and friends like family. The joys, anxieties, fears, and punishments all creating a mixed feeling in my mind. One thing I can guarantee to you. The knowledge and the moral values I got from this school is most important values that I can share to the people. I'm so grateful to my parents because they sent to me this school. Thank you all for making
A pleasant morning to direct. We need to share our experiences and funny moments happened in this school for a long journey. As I am innocent child, came anything without anything in my brain in first standard, but I can stand in front of you and express my institution and my teachers. Early, we liked to skip this school and we were waiting for the holidays. But when we reach this last stage, we are thinking over we can sit from the lower standard and study here again. But as the poverty says that we can't jump in the same rivers. The sweet memories with my teachers and friends will haunt me always. Missing the school means missing our family. To my beloved teachers, how patiently you explained all the things, how carefully you told us. How passionately you create courage and moral values for us. We will not say goodbye. We will be here as Josephians all by our name. We create proud to our school. Thank you. Experiences are invaluable to us. Now I would like to invite our dearly beloved teacher host, Hasina teacher, Mehanuza teacher, and Lakshmi Prasanna teacher to conduct a game show for 10 boys.
To welcome our beloved Principal Sir and Director Sir. Sir, welcome to the party, sir. So, before girls have enjoyed that moment, now this is the time to rock the boys. So, boys, you will please.
Nageshwarrao. Baji. Radha Krishna. Nana Charan. Mohammad Naseem. Ashraf Munawar. Sunit. L. Tarun. Lakshmi Tarun. Jain. Bhargav Reddy. Usman. Kranti Kumar. Vivek. Lakshmikant. Dinakar. Sheikh Mansoor. Mohammad Hussain.
Children, please move forward. LED is there. Ten members come forward. 10 members go back. First batch, 10 members. Please go back.
Krishna, come forward.
Hello, please don't take much time. Go, 10 members stand, 10 members who want to stand there. Ten members. Yes, it is a funny game. You have to play. Listen, first of all, listen. Draping the sari. The winner will be called as the Pushparaj. Who are the Allu Arjun fans? And Joshua's. Please stand there. See them and learn. They will show you the demo. Dinesh, I'm here. Don't get worried. So nobody is going to eat you. What did you do? I should have been nicely. One day, one day. Boys, please get your item. What do you want, brother? We know you people will do like this purposely when Prakash or Sikhi sir is there here in this program. Purposely. Purposely, you cannot escape. Take one end part. One side end part. Boys, take one side end part. Boys, are you ready? Did you get the end of 1 point? Right, sir, please give the music.
మండలంలో యాడా పెరగిన చెట్టు మన శేషాచలం రోజు పెరుగుతున్నది. నుంచి వేల కోట్ల సరుకు విదేశాలకి స్మగ్లింగ్ అవుతాండది. గోల్డ్ అయితే భూమిపై దొరికే బంగారం, ఎర్ర సింగం. చెబితే మా బాస్ చంపేస్తాడా? ఎవడాడు? ఎవడు బాసు?
ఒక్కటే పీస్, 2 కులాలు 2 మతాలు. అది బిగ్ పిల్ల. అమ్మాయి కాదు, అమ్మాయి భానుమతి. ఒక్కటే పీస్, 2 కులాలు 2 మతాలు. అది బిగ్ పిల్ల. అమ్మాయి కాదు, అమ్మాయి భానుమతి. ఒక్కటే పీస్, 2 కులాలు 2 మతాలు. అది బిగ్ పిల్ల.
Okay, we have the clear winner.
గెట్టం పట్టా సవరిస్తుంటే దేశం దద్దరిల్లే గట్టి నడిపిస్తుంటే భూమి బద్దలిల్లే భారతే ఆకాశం ఎంతే పెంచాలే భారతే సంద్రం ఇంకా ఉంటే తప్పాలే
Okay, fine. Sir, which one is better? How do you feel? This time, it is tough competition this time. I'll go with
ఫైర్ కదా
the Pushparaj one. Pushparaj two.
అస్సలు తగ్గేదిలే పుష్ప
We got these are our colorful chilakas of our St. Joseph High School. Clap, children, clap. Thank you.
Thank you, teachers. The group to perform a dance of mass and melody songs.
ఆ చంద్రుల్లో బుక్క జారిందేది నక్క నా ఒళ్ళంతా ఆడిందే దైతక్క దీనందాలో లెక్క దీనేశాలో తిక్క నా గుండెల్లో పొత్తాందే ఒక్క ఓ చిక్కిరి 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 పడతా 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 వెనకే పడతా సారు సమాలు చూసి స్వదేశీ దేశే చిక్కిరి చిక్కిరి ఊటే స్వర్గం చేశాక ఏంట్రా ఇది డబ్బా బిట్టు ఉత్తగరా మజాపా మజాపా
ఈ పేటకు నేనే మేస్తిరి నిరుపేదల పాలిటి పెన్నిధి ఈ పేటకు నేనే మేస్తిరి నిరుపేదల పాలిటి పెన్నిధి కాయ కష్టం ఎరగని వాళ్ళకి కబడ్దారు చేస్తే నేనే ముఠా మేస్తిరి నేనే ముఠా మేస్తిరి ఓయిరబ్బా 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 చూస్తావుగా ఈ గాలి ఆడించే ఆట
రక్త కొట్టేస్తున్నారు